The Honor X8b is a mid-range smartphone that aims to offer a premium experience at an affordable price. It boasts a sleek design, a vibrant display, and a capable camera system. However, it also comes with some compromises to keep the cost down. Let's delve into the details to see if the Honor X8b is the right choice for you. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Now before that, let me show you the pros or the highlights and strength of this device. Number 1, it has a stunning display. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display offers a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, rich colors, and excellent peak brightness, making it ideal for watching videos and playing games. The bezels are now more improved and symmetrical compared to its predecessor with a thicker chin and IPS LCD display only. Second thing, it has a sleek design. The phone comes in a variety of attractive colors and features a modern pill-shaped cutout for the front camera, reminiscent of the iPhone's dynamic island. The build quality feels surprisingly premium for its price range. It feels thin and light as well, with 6.8mm thin and 166 grams, which feels comfortable while holding the phone. Third thing, it has a capable cameras. The triple-layer camera system consists of 108MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens that captures decent photos in good lighting conditions. The 50MP front camera is also great for selfie and video calls compared to last year's model, which is 16MP selfie shooter. Number 4 is long battery life. It is equipped with a 4500mAh battery that easily lasts for a full day on a single charge with 35 watts fast charging, topping it up quickly. Now the fifth one is it having a clean software. This phone runs on Android 13 out of the box with Honor's Magic OS 7.2 skin, which is free from bloatware and offers a smooth user experience. Now this review is not complete without its flaws, the cons or drawback and weaknesses. First, there is no 5G capability. This is a significant omission for a phone released in late 2023. If you're looking for a future-proofing, the X8b might not be the best choice, and compared to its predecessor, having a 5G connectivity, so definitely it's a downgrade. Second thing, it has a limited performance. This phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, a 6nm chipset with the clock speed of Octacore 2.4 GHz. It is decent for everyday tasks, but it can struggle with demanding games and multitasking, and it is a very old CPU. The third one is having single speaker. The phone only has one downward firing speaker, which can be underwhelming for multimedia and gaming consumption. The fourth one is no NFC as well. If you rely on contactless payments, the lack of NFC might be a deal breaker. Now, overall, the Honor X8b offers a good value proposition for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize display quality, battery life, and design. However, its lack of 5G, having average performance, and limited features might be a deal breaker for some users. If you can live without this, the X8b is a decent option. But be sure to weigh its pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Now here are some additional points to consider. This phone is available with 8GB of RAM plus 8GB of RAM expansion with 512GB of internal storage, which are generous and you can store multiple files and applications. With the price tag of 900 dirhams here in Dubai or around 14,000 pesos in the Philippines. The software experience is generally positive, but some users might find Magic OS 7.2 slightly less intuitive than stock Android. There are a few competitors in the same price range that offers 5G connectivity as well. Alright, that's our quick review of the latest Honor X8b. Would you buy it for yourself? Comment down below your opinion. And if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech reviews like this. See you next time. Peace out.